Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Redfern here, and this week we are going to learn how to tell time to the nearest half hour using both analog and digital clocks. So you can see here that our standard is I can tell and write time to the hour and half hour using analog and digital clocks. So let's jump right in. Mr. Mortimer last week taught you how to tell time to the nearest hour. So let's do our nearest half hour. Here we go.
Time to the half hour. This clock shows time to the half hour. The minute hand points to 6. The hour hand is between 4 and 5. It is 4:30 or half past 4. Let's try another one. This clock also shows time to the half hour. The minute hand points to 6. The hour hand is between 9 and 10. It is 9:30 or half past 9.
All right, so I think we should just jump right in and do some practicing. So we look right here and it shows us that an analog clock can show time to the half hour, like the video just said. A half an hour is 30 minutes because a whole hour is 60 minutes. So we're only going to look at half of this part of the clock right here. We can also look that from each of those big numbers, those are 5-minute intervals. You can count by fives all the way around. That's why we've been practicing counting by fives. So it is half past. You can see it's halfway between the 4 and the 5. So it's half past 4. I'm going to try my pin here. Half past 4. Ooh, can I write it? I can. This is hard. Or it's also known as 4 whoop, dot dot 30. I definitely wrote it bigger than the line. Mrs. Redfern didn't stay on the line. Okay, let's see if we can do some of these together. If you see here, we're going to tell what time is shown and write the time. It is between the 9 and the 10, our hour hand is. So we know when it's the minute hand pointed at the 6, that means half past. It is half past 9. So we're going to put a 9 there. Perfect. And I'm actually going to go back here. We're going to zoom in a little bit because it's kind of hard to see, I just noticed. So here we go. I couldn't see those clocks very well. Let me get my pen again. All right, so now we're looking at this hour hand between the 1 and the 2. Again, our minute hand is pointed at the 6, which means it is half past 1. Also known as, we could say 1. I'm going to write it down below here because I like to say it both ways, so I'm practicing both ways. 1:30. Perfect. All right. Now we have it pointing between the hour hand between the 7 and the 6. So it's half past, right, half past 6, also known as 6:30. All right, between that hour hand is between the 3 and the 4, which means it was just at the 3 a little bit ago. So we know it's half past 3, or we can say 3:30. All right, let's move it up here. And I'm going to have you, if there's an adult or another student or a friend or your dog sitting next to you, I want you to tell your dog or your friend or your grandma, grandpa, mom, dad, whoever is near you, what time it is when Mrs. Redfern says it, and then we'll see if you were right. So the hour hand is between the 10 and the 11. The minute hand is on the 6, so it is half past, right, half past 10. Nice job. We'll put a 10 there, also known as 10:30. All right, now we're going to go here to number 6. Our hour hand is between the 2 and the 3. Still half past, so it's half past Right, 2:30. And I'm going to also write 2:30 because that's important to know too, that it is 2:30. All right, now we have it, the hour hand between the 5 and the 6. So it's 5:30. We're high. Ooh, that's going to be a crazy 5. There we go, bring it in. All right, now it's the hour hands between the 11 and the 12. Don't let me trick you. It's 11:30. That's right. Nice job. All right. We're going to scooch up here so we can see these ones. We're just going to do 2 more. We're going to do 9 and 10. All right. That hour hand is between the 8 and the 9. So it's 8:30. Absolutely. Nice job. Also known as, right, 8:30. Perfect. Okay, last one. All right. Our hour hand is between the 7 and the 8, which means it is 7:30. Correct. 7:30. Perfect. Nice work. All right. You did it. Good job. Thanks for practicing with me. Now you're going to go to IXL and you're going to practice U5. All right. Until next time. See you later. Have a great day.